Samsung has taken the foldable smartphone competition to another level, and this year the spotlight is on two very different devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z TriFold. Both phones show Samsung's strength and innovation, but they approach the future of foldables in completely different ways. One focuses on bold new ideas, while the other perfects what already works. Choosing between them depends on what kind of user you are: an early adopter chasing the newest tech, or someone who wants a dependable foldable that fits perfectly into daily life. Let's start with the Galaxy Z TriFold. This device is Samsung's most ambitious foldable yet. Instead of folding like a book, it folds twice using a trifold mechanism. When it fully opens, it becomes a large tablet-style screen, giving you more space for multitasking, entertainment, and productivity. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, one of the most powerful chips available, and it packs a 600 mAh battery to support the bigger display and the complex folding system. But innovation always comes with challenges. The TriFold has more moving parts, which raises real questions about durability. With an extra hinge and a more complicated design, there's a higher chance of wear and tear over time. Repairing it may also be more expensive compared to regular foldables, even with Samsung's repair programs. Then there's the price. Early estimates suggest the TriFold could cost more than $200 to $500, making it a premium device clearly aimed at tech enthusiasts rather than the average buyer. Despite these concerns, the TriFold is an exciting look at what the future of mobile technology could be. It's ideal for people who want to be among the first to experience new form factors and don't mind being part of the first generation of a brand new design. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Unlike the TriFold, the Fold 7 doesn't try to reinvent the foldable concept. Instead, it represents 7 generations of improvements and fine-tuning. Everything about this phone is built around reliability, practicality, and everyday comfort. Samsung has learned from every previous model, and the Fold 7 benefits from all that experience. The hinge mechanism is one of the biggest improvements. It's stronger, smoother, and designed to last longer. That alone makes a huge difference for people who fold and unfold their device dozens of times a day. The Fold 7 also brings an upgraded camera system, allowing users to capture high-quality photos and videos without feeling like they're sacrificing anything for the foldable design. And with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor powering it, performance is fast and stable, even under heavy use. The Fold 7 is slimmer, more refined, and feels more complete as a device. It's meant for users who want a foldable phone they can trust and use confidently without worrying about durability or repair costs. When you compare the TriFold and the Fold 7 side by side, it becomes clear that these devices are built for different types of users. The TriFold is bold, ambitious, and packed with innovation, but it also comes with risks. It's the kind of device early adopters will love because it shows what the next generation of foldables could look like. But its high price, complex design, and potential durability issues may push away the average buyer. The Fold 7, on the other hand, is all about proven practicality. It delivers a stable experience with balanced performance, strong cameras, and a design that has already been tested and improved over many years. For most people, especially those buying a foldable for the first time, the Fold 7 is the safer and more reliable choice. In the end, choosing between the Galaxy Z TriFold and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 depends on what matters most to you. If you want to explore the newest and boldest technology, the TriFold will definitely catch your attention. But if you want a foldable device that works smoothly every day and feels polished from top to bottom, the Fold 7 stands out as the better option. Both devices show Samsung's leadership in the foldable market, but they each tell a different story. One about the future, and one about perfection through experience.